Hello, this is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the 2021 Ford Ranger in an XLT trim and powered by a 2.3 liter EcoBoost engine, providing you with excellent power and fuel efficiency. And then taking a look inside, and first looking into the back seat where you have comfortable seating for 3 with fold-out armrests and 2 cup holders in the middle, as well as a 12-volt power outlet down there, and the seats can be folded up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo you might want to put back here and reveal some storage bins underneath. Looking into the front, you do have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks. Now sitting in the vehicle with it running and looking at the steering wheel, on the right hand side you have your hands-free phone and radio controls, and on the left you have your cruise controls as well as your controls for your center info screen here, where you can look at your trip 1 and 2 information with a digital speedometer, distance to empty, trip odometer, trip timer, fuel economy, and all the stats together. Then you have your fuel economy separately with all that information, your truck info such as your power distribution, driver assistance features and settings in general for your screen, and some other features around your vehicle. Do also have your lane keeping system on the end of your signal stock, but then moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth capable, so you have some options there. Then you have your digital climate controls with dual zone front climate, so you can stay comfortable at different temperatures. You have your Bluetooth phone controls, whatever apps you may have installed, and settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle. But then shifting into reverse, you do have a backup camera so you can see where you're going, with dynamic hitch view so you can zoom in and have an easier time hooking up a trailer. Moving down for that, you have your hazards and then your climate control, your media controls, and then your physical climate controls, again with dual zone front climate. Below that you have 2 12-volt power outlets as well as 2 USBs there, so you can plug something into power or charge from there. Then you have your auto start stop shut off, your tow haul mode button, traction control shut off, and your 4x4 selector here. Then you have your main shifter with select shift on the side so you can manually shift through your gears. Parking brake, 2 cup holders, and your center compartment / armrest here, which is relatively spacious inside for all of your stuff, but that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111 or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.